Hello to everyone. I'm Dr. Kostis Lambropoulos. I'm from Greece. Since 1.5 years, I'm working in Brussels for a BHR hair restoration clinic. I've been trained by Dr. Bizanga, and now I'm assisting him to all his surgeries. But this is not the only thing that is happening at the clinic. I'm participating to many things, including PRP treatments, biopsies, consultations, pre-op and post-op consultation with patients. As you consider from my appearance, I had my own surgery almost a month ago. This is giving me a huge advantage when I'm sitting at a consultation with a patient, because I can explain every little step of the procedure and also what follows after the procedure through my own experience. Many of you know me from a consultation. I'm looking forward to meet with you, answer any questions that you have regarding hair loss and hair transplantation surgery. Thank you very much.